Transform your vision into reality like never before. Clipdrop AI Stable Diffusion XL is the most advanced text-to-image tool on the market. It uses AI to generate realistic and creative images from your imagination in seconds. Simply describe what you want to see, and Stable Diffusion XL will do the rest. Try it today and see for yourself how easy it is to create amazing images with text. Your interaction makes our day. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell for all the latest updates. Part 1, Introduction of AI Tool. Stability AI launches Stable Diffusion XL. Stable Diffusion XL uses AI to generate realistic and creative images from your imagination in seconds. Simply describe what you want to see, and Stable Diffusion XL will do the rest. With Stable Diffusion XL, you can create anything from realistic landscapes to fantastical creatures. Whether you're an artist, designer, or just someone who wants to create amazing images, Stable Diffusion XL is the perfect tool for you. Part 2, Account Creation. To use the Stable Diffusion XL tool, you need to go to the Clipdrop website by clicking on the description link. Click on the Sign In/Sign Up button. You can create your account using your email address, or you can use Google, Facebook, and Apple ID. OK, you have successfully signed in. Part 3.
Use Stable Diffusion XL.
Here you can see Clipdrop has different tools. To use this tool by clicking Stable Diffusion XL. Now we have a Stable Diffusion XL board. To transform your text into amazing AI art by entering your image prompts. I will enter this. Now click here to use the filters. Choose your image style type and image ratio, and navigate prompt. That means what you don't need in your image and version is a pro filter, you can skip it. Once everything is set, then click the Generate button. Wow, it's amazing. Let's create more images from our text prompts.
Part 4, Download.
To download your image, choose an image that you want to download. Now, click Download. If you're loving what you have seen, show us some love with a like. Comment your favorite part down below. And for not missing any of all our upcoming AI videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Till then, bye bye.